Hi, welcome to Read Assist tool. Now we will quickly take you through the tool features, and so the basically what the tool does is it gets you English synonyms or word definitions. So I'm just turning off the developer mode since the extension is yet to undergo Chrome Store approval. I'm just clicking on the GitHub URL so that you can take a look, and don't forget to disable the extension after your use so that you will be able to continue with your work if this is causing any issues. And please do report us if you have any issues. And to report us for any issues, you can write to us at www.readassist@gmail.com. Now, to use the feature, we have two approaches for developer participation. You can clone or you can download the zip file to take a look and use the tool in a developer mode for now. And don't forget to click on star if you like what we are doing. Now I'll quickly take you through the tool features so that you can look at how the tool works. So this is basically a Chrome extension, and all we do is we just go ahead and visit a web page. Now right click on that particular web page, click on Read Assist, click to enable. So I just did that, and as you can see, I will just click on one of the words or somewhere in the screen to start using the tool. This opens the tab. We have to click start to enable the tool, and please keep the tab open so that it captures words when you need it. And after we go back to our actual page, we click on the word for which we need definitions, and as you can see, it has fetched the synonyms or definitions based on various parts of speech. You can click anywhere outside the pop-up or click on the X button in the pop-up to close it. So as we have been doing that, I would continue doing that for a few more words so that you can see how the word definitions have been captured behind the scenes. To add to this, additionally, we are also planning a lot of new features, and we have captured those details in the GitHub page so that you can take a look at it and see what new features you might find it interesting to be added to this tool. So I start capturing some more words by clicking the words. As you can see, I just scroll down and click on the specific word. Like here I do it for communicate, and I get a meaning, which is a verb. So while this happens, I would also like to tell you that you will have to go to Chrome://extensions to actually enable this tool and use the features. I just go to the tab, and you can see that it has captured each of the words that I have clicked and the synonyms or definitions for those words. So all this depends on fetching those words from an external API synonym database, and I use that information and provide you with the details. So while I had illustrated the other feature, this is the second feature where you can right click, you can select the specific word and right click and say get quick synonym. So the quick synonym fetches the word definition again and still keeps capturing the word meaning behind the scenes. So I'll continue doing that for a few more words. Like as you can see, I click on the word now called removed and right click that word after highlighting it and click on get quick synonym. So yes, I got that captured exactly as described. So this is helping us capture various synonyms that I would need from day-to-day use, and I'll just keep doing that for few more words and illustrate you how the tool works, right? And yes, so I got the exact word. Now I can click stop here if I want to stop capturing those words whenever I need it. In both the cases, for right click, highlight the word and right click. So do visit our GitHub URL